Do you want to make a group chat on TikTok? You can create a TikTok group chat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a group chat on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. A new screen will appear with your previous message list. Now, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner to create a new group chat. You will see a list of friends. Now, select 2 or more friends you want to add to the group chat. After selecting the members, tap on the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Once the group chat is created, you can change the name or manage members. Now, type your first message and send it to start the conversation. Your TikTok group chat is now ready, and you can share text, emojis, and TikTok videos with everyone in the group.